So, hello everyone, welcome to your channel GDP King by Ex-NIBM and CMAT 2021 topper. Today we are going to solve Symbiosis National Aptitude Test 2024 paper which was held on 2024, that is memory based paper. We are continuing our series of quantitative and data interpretation and data sufficiency from 16 question. We are solving these all questions throughout, and yesterday if you will see our video on this YouTube channel, we have solved 29th question with a very good trick and logic, that how you have to identify the pattern, whether it is multiplication, addition or subtraction. So today we are going to solve the next question of this series, that is 30th question. Just focus on my methodology to approach and solve that question. Okay, then you can apply the same methodology while you are attempting your mock test. Then you can, for God's sake, you can just increase your speed, at a next level your speed will be, and also you will get yourself your confidence to solve with the help of options. You can get that thing at the top. Okay, so let us solve. And by the way, I am Ex-NIBM and CMAT 2021 99.9 percentile holder. So let us start it. There are three different types of rice having weight of 435 kg, 93 kg, and 551 kg. Okay, so we have three bowls. Suppose each bowl has different capacity. One is 435, one with 493 kg, another with 551 kg respectively. The rice is packed in bags such that no two types of rice are mixed. Find the least number of bags of equal size. So this is a very I think usual question you will get. For this type of question, what you have to do exactly? For this type of question, you have to find out what number of bags are required, but here the given that bags are of equal size. Okay, that means what? That number of bag we require, in which this can also be packed, this can also be packed, this can also be packed, means that should contains the feature of all these three numbers. So we have to firstly find out the factor which can divide first, second and third rice into equal weights. There should not be any fraction itself. Okay, now for finding that thing, what we have to do, we will start with unit digit, then double digit we will go. Okay, but logically what we have to do is, logically first of all, we think 5 should divide everything, but 5 cannot divide 493 and 551, as you can see. Okay, so 5 is just cancelled. Since 5 is cancelled, 10 15 is also cancelled. Now we will switch to 7. 7, any one number if divide, then you divide all. That is your common factor. 7, for your kind information, so 7 sevens are 49, 61. No, 7 cannot be. Now 7 is not, 9 will also be not, because for 9 the sum of digits should be multiple of 3 at least. Okay, then or multiple of 9, then it will become the multiple of 9. Now again let me see, 9 is not. Okay, then 10, 11, just frequently 11, no 11, because alternate, suppose 5 plus 1 is 6, minus 5 1, that there should be 0 or 11 ka multiple to get divisible by 11. So 11 is not 12, 12 is not, because this is odd. 13, yeah, 13, 13 the 39, this is also not 13. 14, 14 will not. 15. So see, first of all we should go for odd digit, not even. Okay, we should go for odd digit. So 15 not. 17, so 17, 17 3 is a 51, then it will make 42. No. Now 19, 38, 55, no. 90, 21, 21, no, because 3 and 7 is not, then 21 will also be not. 23, okay, 23 twos are 46, so this will become 33, no, 33 cannot be divisible, okay. Then 25, 25 is also not because this is 3. Then 27, 27, 5 will not divisible. Then 29, 29, 29 ones are 29. Then what left? 1, 4, 5, 15. Yeah, 15 times it will go. 493 will go how many times? 29, 17 times. 29 ones are 29. 19. Exactly. So 29 is that number which is exactly dividing all thing in a very very fractional value. Okay. So you see, if you will take a 29 kg of bag, then 15 bags required for this way weight, and 17 bags required for this, 19 bag required for this. So on an average you require 9 7 16 5 1 unit digit 1. So this is required 51. So like this you have to go. This is a proper methodology I am telling you. By the way, for apart from proper methodology, there are some tricks also, but if that tricks doesn't work there, you have to work like this way. Getting my thing? You have to work exactly like this way. That how many bags are required, then you just think and go with a very very good speed. So this, even if you don't know LCM HCF, then you also you can solve this type of question. So thank you very much for joining us, and make sure you have any doubt in any question, you can drop your comment below. We will just look into it, and we have successfully delivered many students from our GDPI batch to good reputed B schools of Pune also, and all over India. So kindly join our GDPI with Ex-NIBM, and make sure you WhatsApp at the number given below. Thank you very much for joining. We will just tomorrow see 31 question number. That's all from my side. This was the easiest. Thank you very much for watching.